Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide for gym beginners. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started on your fitness journey, from essential gear to workout tips. So, let's get into it. Stepping into the gym for the first time can be intimidating, but don't worry, we're here to make it easier for you. Whether you're aiming to build muscle, lose weight, or simply stay healthy, having the right essentials can make a huge difference. Let's start with the basics. First up, let's talk about gym gear. Having the right equipment can not only enhance your performance but also keep you comfortable and motivated. A sturdy gym bag is crucial. It should be spacious enough to hold all your essentials and have separate compartments for your shoes, clothes. Comfortable, moisture-wicking clothes are a must. Look for fabrics that keep you cool and dry. Opt for breathable t-shirts, shorts, or leggings that allow full range of motion. Invest in a good pair of workout shoes. They should provide support, cushioning, and a good grip. Choose shoes based on your workout type. Running shoes for cardio, lifting shoes for weight training. Staying hydrated is key. Get a large reusable water bottle to ensure you drink enough water during your workouts. Bring a small towel to wipe off sweat and keep the equipment clean. It's a matter of hygiene and courtesy to others. Music can be a great motivator. Get a pair of comfortable, sweat-proof headphones to keep you pumped during your sessions. A fitness tracker or smartwatch can help you monitor your workouts, track your progress, and set goals. It's a great tool for staying motivated. Now that you have your gear, let's talk about the essential gym equipment you'll be using. Knowing how to use them properly will maximize your workouts and minimize the risk of injury. Start with cardio machines like treadmills, ellipticals, and stationary bikes. They're great for warming up and getting your heart rate up. Free weights, including dumbbells and barbells, are fundamental for strength training. They help in building muscle and improving overall strength. Weight machines are excellent for beginners because they guide your movements and reduce the risk of improper form. Use machines for leg press, chest press, and lat pull-downs. Resistance bands are versatile and can be used for various exercises, from warm-ups to strength training. They're also great for improving flexibility. A good exercise mat is essential for floor exercises and stretches. It provides cushioning and support for your joints. What you eat and drink plays a crucial role in your fitness journey. Proper nutrition fuels your workouts and aids in recovery. Aim for a balanced diet that includes a mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains. Eat a small meal or snack rich in carbs and protein about 1 to 2 hours before your workout. This gives you the energy to perform well. After your workout, refuel with a meal that includes protein and carbs. This helps in muscle recovery and replenishes your energy stores. Drink water throughout the day and stay hydrated during your workout. If you're sweating a lot, consider an electrolyte drink. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Give your muscles time to repair and grow stronger. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery and overall health. Incorporate rest days into your routine to prevent overtraining. Listen to your body and give it the rest it needs. Engage in light activities like walking, yoga, or stretching on your rest days. This promotes blood flow and helps in recovery. Finally, mental preparation is key. Set realistic goals, stay motivated, and be patient with your progress. Set short-term and long-term fitness goals. Make sure they are specific, measurable, and achievable. Keep a positive mindset and celebrate small victories along the way. Fitness is a journey, not a destination. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family, or workout buddies. They can keep you motivated and accountable. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to gym essentials for beginners. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and the most important thing is to stay consistent and enjoy the journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.